Muranga wadwaro mondo mi olosnwa airstrip Semerata. Kodhi nyimeni jatatije maduong' mar Kenya Airports Authority mano Henry Ogoye wacho ni oseketi ikruok makare alap ndeke ma JKIA eneo ni otieki chutho wach mar lal teko stima magikoni rocho yore mag wuoth. Owacho ni jenereta ma itiyogo kod seche ma stima olal osechak losi mondo mi sasa ma stima olal to chako tiyo aruya mondo kik dhano bede mudho kani losi boma Kisumu. Omedo ni kar chano bero paw ndeke malichota kod kabunde mayudore Migori Giwa Bay counties chenro magingo mar loso.
What Kenyans are concerned with is the time it takes for the backup power to come on board. That is the only concern. We have the capacity. We are looking at ways and means of automating it fully so that it kicks in at the required time. And work is going on even today, tomorrow, and the days after. And we'll deal with it to finality. For the other facilities, power is kicking off as and when required in the event that we have a national outage. We have even JKIA. Let me tell you, JKIA, the backup system is more than what is required because the backup system is 13 megawatts and whatever is required is below 5 megawatts. So let you not be cheated. Yes, it is just a question of doing what? It is just a question of ensuring that we automate it well so that it kicks in within the required time.